Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll just be showing you different styles that I did. These styles, all of these styles are basically styling. I did not fix any of it. Some are wigs that I added extensions to. So I dropped about 22 different images, pictures, saying anyone you really like, you should pick the number in the comment section. Write down the number in the comment section. Then I can choose the number that has the highest comment. So if you want 5, write 5. If 5 has the highest comment, then I will shoot a video on how to do 5 from the beginning to the end, because I really want this YouTube class to be very interactive. So I really want you guys to please make it work for me. I am so happy and blessed for your love, for your comments that you've been giving me. It's mind-blowing and I am really grateful. You guys have made this YouTube class really awesome. So I want to give something back, something major, something worthwhile, something you really need. That is why I've decided to drop this old image. You choose one you think will work for you, that you really don't understand how it's been done, or that it's a bit tedious. That just one. Write the number in the comment section and I'm going to shoot a video for it. Come next week Sunday, which is on 7th, I would be picking the number that has the highest comments, the highest number that people chose. So I'll be picking that and I'll be shooting on it during the week to release on the 14th. So guys, thank you for making it really awesome and beautiful. I love you and your comments are really mind-blowing. So guys, please subscribe to this channel so we can have more fun together, and I will see you in my next video. Please remember to click the subscribe button. Love, share and comment. Bye guys, love you.